Welcome to our assembly hangar. Today, I'll show you exactly how airplanes are assembled, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Here we see how complex avionics systems are integrated into the chassis before the main aircraft assembly begins. The precision is unmatched.
Every alignment is checked repeatedly to meet strict aviation standards.
Every airplane undergoes rigorous testing before rollout.
Hold the line steady. We have 5 meters clearance on the right wing. Continue forward to the inspection point.
And that's how airplanes are assembled, fruit-themed, from start to finish.